Good day, everybody. Let's do the superstar mince patty or a meat patty, or you can call it a cutlet. Okay. So for this, I've got half a kilo of mince. This is, this is beautiful beef mince. Okay. But I still have to put another half a kilo of pork mince, which I'm waiting for. So I've got some ginger garlic paste. I'm going to put a nice, say 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and I've got fennel. Yeah, it's roasted, so it's 2 teaspoons. I've got some bacon. This is around, say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 say 7 teaspoons. It's two long bacon pieces finely chopped. I've got 2 large onions finely chopped, some lime. Yes, of course, we have to put salt to taste, crushed pepper. Okay, so all this will be mixed together in a big bowl. Okay, so this one onion has to be roasted. Okay, you need to get them clear and then mix it to the mince, and this one also has to be nicely fried and then mixed to the mince. Okay, so right now I'm waiting for my half a kilo of mince, and then we'll make this superstar meat cutlet or meat patty. Right, so I've got some oil in a pan, just normal medium oil, the normal cooking oil, and then we put the beautiful chopped onion, and this chopped onion has to be fried until clear. Okay, that's the trick, and it's going to make you can make a beautiful, lovely burger. So you also need a nice bunch of coriander leaves. You have to chop them into small pieces, and a little bit of mint leaves. All right, so chop them into small pieces, and then we'll mix all together. We have to fry the bacon also, right? Also, 1 or 2 eggs, will help in binding them. Right now we'll just break 1 egg. Okay, let's break the egg. Come on. So my onions are now cleared now. Okay, off the gas, the fire, and then we can straight away take this and mix it with the egg. Okay. Shit. Sorry guys. Okay. Go. Put some oil in the pan and time to fry the bacon. Okay. They need to be a bit brown, and then you can stop. Happy with the bacon? You do the same process. Okay. You see, I put an egg before for a reason. It will make a big difference if you follow the method the way I'm showing you. It will make your meat patty or your cutlet very tasty. So time now to mix the mince. This is half a kilo. I need to add another half a kilo. I will put my crushed pepper, a nice tablespoon. Okay, crushed pepper. Then if I need more, I'll put more later. This is the nice fennel, crushed fennel. Yeah, it's crushed and it's roasted also, to be very honest. And let me put my heap of ginger garlic paste. Yeah, just 1 heap. Yeah, big tablespoon. Then I've got my chopped coriander and mint. You see, it's just 1 handful. There you go. Just 1 handful. And now let's mix all together with some lovely lime. So lime is really important. It needs to be a bit sour and taste. Okay, we need this to be delicious, and we need this to be a superstar. Okay, it can serve around 6 to 7 people. Like, you can make 6 to 7 jumbo sized burgers. Yeah, if you add your lettuce and tomato and some mayo. Don't forget, you always have to be very particular about putting your beautiful slice of beetroot, otherwise it's never called a burger. So let's mix all this together, okay, and bind it, and then we will see how the consistency is, and we can add more an egg to bind them together. I have not yet added the salt, so I yet have add my salt. Probably put 1.5 teaspoon for now, and then we will see later once we add the other half of half a kilo of pork mince. Okay, so my salt has just gone in there. Really tough to do this, hold the camera in one hand, the phone in one hand, and then mix another hand. Everything falls all over the place, but I'm trying. So you will see now the mix is ready, but I still need to add half a kilo of pork mince. Probably I will be adding a bit more of salt. I may push in this egg to get it all bind together. I probably may add a little bit of pepper, and that's about it. And this is going to make a beautiful meat patty or cutlet, or you can add this, and you can add this in your burger and make a superstar burger. So here we go. After the break, I just got my another half a kilo of pork mince, which I'm going to mix with this one, and I would think I would need a bit of an egg. So let's break an egg. Okay, there you go. And then I'm thinking, because we would need some more crushed pepper, okay, I may add a bit of lime to it too. Yeah, so there goes the lime. Yeah, so that's good. And then we another half of the lime, squeeze. Okay, and let me put a bit of salt, just a 3/4 of a teaspoon. And now it's time for me to mix. I've got my beetroot slices. Voila, now that's a burger, going to be a burger soon, huh? Cheers, guys. So the goal is to make big balls, and then you have to make it this way. Yeah, that way. So I need to use both my hands, so I may stop for some time and then create these cutlets. Okay, that way. Okay, so I got my 12 jumbo size superstar burgers. Superstar meat patties, or mince patties, or you can call it a kind of beautiful cutlet. Okay, so it goes in the fridge for say half an hour, just to rest there, and it all binds together. So for this DIY burger, I'm doing prep work. I've cut some cucumber. There's one whole cucumber. I put some salt. I put some salad dressing. Okay, just to give it some nice savory pickle taste. Okay, I got some salad leaves, beautiful salad leaves. 2 tomatoes. They're going to finely be chopped. Okay, into slices. Okay, round. And this beautiful sliced beetroot. Okay, got the buns, kind of brioche, and this beautiful garlic aioli. Okay, all this will be assembled together in the DIY beautiful burger, or a cutlet, or a mince patty, right? So it's finally cut, and we need to put a bit of salt, not too much, just a bit of salt, so that it gives the kind of a pickle kind of taste. Put the salad dressing and let it rest. Okay, so it's good to cut your salad leaves and keep them ready, so you don't have to worry about it later. Easy peasy, right? Just make sure you cut them so that you don't have to be struggling later. Yeah, just nicely assemble them and keep them ready to do the DIY. Do it yourself superstar burger. That's the superstar beetroot. Let us see how good it is. It's all getting ready for DIY. This is the plate, okay? And then we will use this. We will take the bun, we will put it in the center, and we will drop the tomato. Probably we will keep the cucumber around, then the lettuce, beetroot. We will then place the cutlet and then assemble it. Okay, let me now fry the cutlet. So time to fry the patty. I have brought it outside the fridge. I got a nice beautiful pan. Okay, I'm going to put some oil and medium flame. Got some breadcrumbs. Let's crack the egg. So time to crack the other egg. Yeah. Let's crack the egg. It's a bit tough sometimes, but to manage. See, don't worry about all this. Can be taken off and you can leave it there. Doesn't matter. It's going to be crisp. Need to mix them well. With the fork. It's good to the fork. Pour some oil. Okay. And then it's time for you to take patty. Actually, you need two hands for this, but let me try. Okay. There's a good dip here. Okay. So, then we'll do this one. Not much. This one. One more. Two sides. And then there you go. Okay, so I'll do it for all of them and then we'll turn on the. So I managed to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the next round probably another 5. Turn it around, say each side around 4 minutes would be fine. So it's a low medium flame. You have to play with the flame a bit, right? Manage. There you go. So this meat patty or a cutlet is dedicated to the community, Warner Lake community. Okay. So let me take them one by one. It's a bit slippery. My spatula. Okay. Easy and easy peasy. Unfortunately, very slippery, but we'll manage. Easy, easy, easy. It's a very delicious meat cutlet or a meat patty. Goes very well in a burger. Make sure you put the cucumber. Right? Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Okay, let's do this quick superstar burger. I put some butter and put it in on the pan to just roast it a bit. And here we go. So we have this lettuce here. Now we will put the beautiful burger top. Then we need a little bit of here before. Okay, this is the superstar burger. Need some tomato. I need put some cucumber. Cucumber will go like a flower all around. And this video is dedicated to the Super Warner Likes community. Okay, so this is beautiful cucumber flower and the beautiful lovely beetroot. Without the beetroot, it's not a burger in Australia. Okay, beautiful like a flower. And then we will go back to the sauce. bit and give it another lettuce. It's got, it's there, ready. And we will put some little bit cheese, not much, but a little bit cheese, yeah, to give it a flavor. And that's the superstar burger. Cheers guys, enjoy and have a lovely day. This is the beautiful Warner Lakes superstar burger. Cheers guys, enjoy. Cheers mate.